We're here in Ahopsan Forest. Yay! Hi guys, we're in Ahopsan Forest, where the King and Eternal Monarch, they did their K-drama shooting, and it only takes 5,001 for the entrance. Still hiking after 10 minutes. You guys okay?
I got my own cake.
I know. Ayun guys, the obelisk is still there. Dito na natin pasukin. Why not? Whoa, it's right there. It's still there.
Now this is the forest.
Whoa. Cinematic time. Hey guys, this is where they shot all these K-dramas. I'm not familiar with all of them, only one of them. I'm not sure if all of them are TV series or movie. I'm only familiar with Scarlet Heart. You. About to enter another bamboo forest, guys. Look, check it out. So beautiful. I guess that's why they do a lot of shootings here for K-dramas and movies. Look at that. It's like a never-ending bamboos. It's like a perfect spot. Oh, look at that, guys. This place is beautiful. Just listening to the wind is very calming. And I lost everybody. They're still over there.
Careful now.
Woo! Look at this, guys. So serene. Just walking in the bamboo forest. Enjoying it. Woo. Whoa. It's so cool. Whoa. This place is awesome. Look, we found a heart. Look. We're going that way. It's a good place to relax and enjoy the nature. And that's probably the best time to take videos and photos. It's a golden hour. It's about to happen. I think they put money there in their prayers. I don't know what's in there. Still here. Today's Friday, and I think it's better to visit this during the weekdays. So there's not gonna be a lot of people. Since it's a 4-day weekend for us because of Thanksgiving, I prefer to visit places here in Korea during the weekdays. So it's not a lot of people. Just stay away from people. Be safe during COVID. Hi guys, I hope you guys liked that video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and drop a comment below. Also, I said on my last video that I'll do a shout out for the ones that use my hashtag. So shout out to Jaylene Bobby Soxer. So make sure you guys follow her channel. I'll show it to you guys right here. And next one is shout out to Patricio Quisan and shout out to Macri Marzi. So yeah, make sure you guys follow those other YouTubers that dropped a comment. If you guys want to be shout out on my next video, make sure you use my hashtag. I'll see you guys next time.